Good afternoon, you guys. If you have a Ford car or vehicle that's giving you the gas cap off error, even though your gas cap is clearly not off, I've only found a couple of ways to reset this. One is, do the PCM reset, whereas, there's plenty of videos on that. I even have a video on my own channel on how to do it. Where you disconnect the negative terminal on your battery and then use a little jumper wire to jump it from the positive cable to the disconnected negative. Leave it off for 10 minutes and then, and basically reset your computer. That will get rid of that stupid little error right there. Also, if you use the handy app called Forscan, this guy right here, that has become my newest best friend. Here's the actual trouble code for it. Evap system leak detected, fuel cap off loose, blah, blah, blah. You can reset it with this app here. You can go to forscan.org and you can download this free app, and you have to get a appropriate connector cable so that you can connect it, out of your USB port down there into your OBD port on your vehicle. If you've seen my other videos, you'll notice that this handy app is very useful for all kinds of stuff. But basically, I'm going to go ahead and reset it. You'll notice that the error is clearly down there right now. So I should be able to reset it down here at the bottom. Excuse the glare from the sun. But this guy right here allows you to reset the trouble code. So let's see what happens. I have not done this yet as far as using it with this app, but I'm going to go ahead and try it right now, if it would focus. So hang tight with me 1 second. This action will reset the trouble code for the module you selected, which is the power control module. So let's see what happens. Okay, and you have to move the little switch on your OBD device. Click OK. Cycle engine off and on. I'm sure you may not be able to read that. So key goes off, back on. Click OK. You basically just follow the instructions of the computer. It's very simple. All right. Look back on the screen. The stupid error is gone. So there you have it. I highly recommend you get this app called Forscan. It gives you so much control over your vehicle. Mostly things that only your dealership would be able to do. As far as resetting fault codes and check engine light codes, it'll tell you what the problems are so that you can Google that stuff and fix it yourself, or at least tell the mechanic what you think the problem is. Instead of having to pay some diagnostic fee that may not find anything wrong. You know how it is when you take it into a dealership or whatever. So very handy. And so that's how I resolved the stupid gas cap off error on my 2008 Ford Taurus X. And see my other videos. We got all kinds of stuff going on with this car. Little things we're fixing up and just getting it better or whatever. So check out other videos. We'll be back with more. See y'all later.